Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will show 10 outfits and this will be more than enough to see how this simple dress can be styled over maybe holidays or in your casual daily life. First outfit, I choose black accent, so this would be the belt and this would be the black sandals. This is a cream white color that works well with the dress cream white slash really light gray. As you know, most shoppers were wearing now this waist. Obviously you can take your normal shopper or your maybe basket bag, but just because I am doing this city sort of style outfit, I am choosing really standard classic city shopper bag. Right girls, for my next outfit I will be choosing really simple long sleeve. So this would be a bodysuit with a long sleeve. It does have this button and I actually love the fact that it has these buttons because I will be buttoning it up. You can see the buttons here, but I don't mind. Any texture will make this outfit more interesting. Next thing what I'm gonna take, this would be a really, again, simple white long sleeve top. You can tie the sleeves a little bit tight if you want to make more accent on your waist. What I like about this outfit, because you can see 3 different shades of white. So this is the off-white color. This is the standard, I would say classic white, and my dress is the cream white. So 3 white colors or shades, making this outfit more interesting. Next outfit will have a pop of red color. I'm choosing simple t-shirt. I also have red heels, little tiny kitten heels. Right girls, so I made a knot here. I will also make sure these would have a symmetric sort of line. This would help me to define my waist. The knot is hidden inside and I've attached my golden brooch. The only thing I do regret that my t-shirt is small. I wish it could be a size or 2 bigger, then it would give me a little bit more shape on top, then would look more relaxing. So I'm gonna show you the whole outfit. So you can see the pop of red, a little bit gold detail. So this again red and gold detail on the back, gold detail bracelet, and black. I think fantastic outfit. This is really simple, great summer look, and as you can see, dress here works perfectly as a base and balances the red accents. For my next outfit, I'm gonna keep the red heels, but I'm gonna add red long sleeve in stripes. There will be a few options of this outfit. I will show you how you can mix different stripes, different color, shade, tone stripes, and how cool it actually looks. The top look way too contrast now if you compare with the stripes on my dress. What I'm gonna do, so first of all, I'm gonna put the black and white beads, adding even more contrast on the top. I have added another red color. So now the top is too contrast, bottom is still quite pale. But just because we have the most, I would say, styling on the top, the bottom, the pale bottom makes it balanced, and the shoes make it a perfect touch. So here is the sandwich style. It's really similar to making black and white outfit in a sandwich style. So two accents, shoes and top in the same color, and in the middle something, I would say, more simpler. Next thing you can do is add another striped top, but let's say in black and white. So in this outfit I have 3 different style of stripes. And finally, another third option of this outfit, I can just simply add white long sleeve. I think every single outfit has its own kind of concept, its own kind of mood. I do love actually 3 of them. Right, girls, for the very next outfit, I decided to style this dress with the pastels. So I chose a very, I would say, trendy piece now. So this is the blazer in a pastel yellow. I also chose the pastel heels. That's quite small heel. I think it's only 5 centimeters, quite comfortable. Right, guys, another outfit. So here again, nothing extraordinary, everything what many of you have in your wardrobe. So this is a Chris Katzen shirt, so I choose it in white. In terms of shoes, I chose the ballet flats, but with a pointed toe, because I have quite a long shirt. I do have maxi dress and it doesn't have a heel, so I need to still show that I do have my feet. The pointed toe would be extending my legs. Again, my city shopper bag, really simple black and white accent here, black and white beads and a long necklace on a rope. So the heart is in a silver that fantastically matches my ballet flats that are in silver again. Yeah, really easy, feels lightweight, feels comfortable. Next outfit, I decided to go for the leopard print accent. First of all, I always and forever will love the leopard print with the black color. So I took my black oversized linen shirt, I took the leopard print belt, and I believe many of you might be having a leopard print belt because it was a massive trend. Plenty shops and boutiques sold a leopard print belt. In case you don't have leopard print, you might take the white waist belt. It's quite popular as well. Many are buying now, many are using this in the summer styles. They always look great with the summer dresses. Yeah, so here I am taking my black kitten heel minimalistic shoes. Again, my black shopper bag. So I truly use one bag that it's comfortable and it suits the most my outfit. Yeah, I think very easy outfit. Most of you probably have black shirt. Right, girls, it's time to go to a little bit more complicated styling. So I will be creating outfit with the denim mini skirt. Might be actually midi as well, midi-axi, because we will be creating layering. Another thing, I will be using quite wide leather man-like belt to give it a little bit more structure. Right, so let me show you my idea of this outfit and I really hope you will like it. This obviously outfit is when it's around 20 degrees, when it's not really hot, because you have obviously quite tight skirt on your hip. You do have a blazer. What is the concept of this outfit? So this would be a minimalistic outfit when we are creating layerings with the simple clothes. And the most important thing here on this outfit and in all minimalistic outfits, it is playing with the length. As you can see, my skirt and my blazer, they are finishing at the same line. Another thing, the black belt gives a structure and it matches with quite conservative, I would say, blazer. Yeah, not many colors. This is a concept again of minimalistic outfit. They have to be neutral and obviously very simple clothes. Again, my simple shoes with a kitten heel just to add to this minimalistic concept. Another bit more complicated styling. So I'm gonna take my linen dress and I wanna show you how to do again layering in a minimalistic style. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create lines with the help of this dress. So you can see that I've created a symmetry with the second style dress. I do love the fact that this is a t-shirt style dress. I do have, again, I know I might be boring, but I do have my shopper bag. I do have my kitten heels. Yeah, so I'm using the gold brooch. Again, fantastic, light, very easy outfit. I'm sure many of you might have the t-shirt dress. Very last outfit. For the weather like today, it's quite windy but not very cold, and I thought, how would I wear this type of dress? So first of all, I've decided I would go with my wind jacket. So this is sort of raincoat, wind jacket, and this is in leopard print. And I would recommend here to add your sort of wind jacket or wind parka, and they normally come in some kind of cool styles and some kind of cool colors and designs. They normally have this elasticated waistband. You can adjust it. I made it the way so it defines my waist. Yeah, so still giving it feminine kind of vibe, but yet I wanted to add a little bit of village style detail. If I would have a Birkenstocks, I would probably go for the Birkenstocks just because I don't have it. I don't think they are quite practical in my wardrobe strategy. So I am adding here the chunky fisherman sandals. Another thing what I would potentially do here, I would tie a long sleeve top, obviously my shopper bag, and voila, the outfit is done. Right, guys, that's it, and I would like to hear obviously your opinion, your thoughts, which outfit you like most, which outfit you like least, and maybe you have your own styling tricks with a simple summer dress. Anyways, thank you very much for your likes, for your comments, and I hope to see you back on my channel, and thank you and bye.